Assalamualaikum. My name is Nida Umair.
Today I'll teach you variable scope in Objective-C. Firstly, I will define what is scope and what is variable. Scope of an identifier is the part of the program where the identifier may directly be accessible. And what is variable? A variable is just a named area of storage that can hold a single value, for example numeric or character. Now I'll go to describe what is C scope variable in C programming language. Scope variable is a region of program in refer to where variable can be referenced. There are three places where variable can be declared in C programming: local variable, global variable, and formal parameters. Firstly, I want to define what is global variable. Global variable is a variable with global scope, meaning that is visible. Global variables are defined outside of a function, usually on top of the program. The global variable will hold their value throughout the lifetime of your program, and they can be accessed inside any of the function defined the program. And what is local variable? Local variable is a variable which is either a variable declared within a function or argument passed to a function. They are initiated within a limited scope. This means they are declared when a function or subroutine, and once the function ends, the memory taken up by the variable is released. Now I'll write an example of using local variable and global variable. Global variable is integer g is equal to 63. Now I will declare local variable. In main bracket open integer a is equal to 50. Now printf condition. Command use value of a in main equal to %d/n comma a printf value of g in main equal to %d/n comma g get ch eu and return 0. Now I'm going to save this program and execute this program. Now this is the answer of value of a in main is the local variable is a equal to 50, the local variable function, and value of g is 60 is the global variable function, the answer of global variable. Now I'll go to define the difference between global and local variable. If I want to change this integer a and I will integer g equal to 50, and I want to replace this, and I'm going to save this program and execute this program. Now this is the answer of value of g in main, the local variable answer g equal to 50, because function always give the first priority of local variable, and the global variable is accessible in all function and visible in all function of the program. Now I'll go to define another part of the scope variable is formal parameter. Formal parameter. What is formal parameter? Function of parameter. The definition of the function parameter are called formal parameters. Formal parameters are treated as local variable within that function, and they will take preference over the global variable. Now I'll write an example using local variable, global variable, and formal parameters. Now going to new program, include 3d io dot h. Now I'll declare global variable, integer g is equal to 90. Now I'll want to declare local variable, integer main bracket open, integer a is equal to 30, integer c is equal to 0, print f value of a in main equal to %d /n, comma a, print f value of g in main equal to %d /n, comma g. C is equal to sum a comma g, get close, get ch, return 0, bracket is closed. Now use formal parameters. Integer sum, integer a, comma integer g, bracket open, print f value of a in sum equal to %d /n, comma a, print f value of g in sum equal to %d /n, comma g. Get ch, bracket is closed. I'm going to save this program. Save as for.c. Save this program. Now I'm going to execute this program. Now this is the answer of value of a in main equal to 30 and value of g in main equal to 90 and value of sum equal to 30 and the value of g equal to 90. If I want to replace integer a change k and integer f, and then going to execute this program. Now this is the error of this program, because we don't have declare variable f and k in local variable function, and we are referring these variable in function without declaring them. Now choose A and G. Answer. Now this is the answer of A and G. So thank you.